Hello, 7th grade Lego Robotics. I'm going to show you in this video tutorial today is how to open the Lego Mindstorms app and show you a few things about the Action tab. So, the first thing I want you to do is click on the Lego Mindstorms icon, desktop icon. If you don't see it, come down to your search bar and search Lego Mindstorms. You can see here it pops right up, desktop app. If you don't have a desktop icon, right click and choose pin to taskbar. Mine says unpin from taskbar because I already have it pinned. So I'm going to double click on this to open the app. And as soon as it opens, I want you to go to File, New Project, Program, and Open. And I'm going to start a new program. So the first thing I want you to look at is the move tank block. So we're going to drag this up there. And what this does is controls the power to both our motors and essentially our robot. So there's a couple different things I can do to tweak the way our robot moves. I'm going to start from the left here. So I press on this, I can change from on rotations, the amount of times the motor spins around, to on for degrees, to on for seconds, to on indefinitely, or off indefinitely. The next thing I can do is I can adjust the power to the motors. So I can bump it up to 100 if I'm trying to go real fast in the forward direction, or I can go negative 100 if I'm trying to go in reverse. I can also set one of the motors to 0 if I want to make a turn. And I could also set them to opposite values like that if I'm trying to make a turn. Next one is the duration of how long I want my motor's on for. So right now I have it on for one rotation, a relatively short distance. And lastly, the ports. So if I click up on the ports, I'm able to change the ports that the motors are plugged into. Now you got to recognize you can do this in the program, but you also have to physically remove the cables from the current ports they're in to the corresponding ports here. So I'm going to leave that at B and C, and I'm going to switch both these values back to 50 because now I'm going to make a program for my robot to drive in a square. So tune in to part 2 in the next video.